Hey everyone, I hope you all had a great week. Welcome back to Forex Scholars, where we will be discussing about the trade ideas about in the upcoming week and how we are going to approach markets in the upcoming week. Now, if I give you a brief of what has happened in the last week, was dollar shot up due to a lot of reasons, and that has brought all the USD pairs to a supply zone. So what we need to do this week is very simple. Just take a look at all the charts. Just take a look at NZD-USD. NZD-USD, if we take a look on the 1 hour time frame, we can easily find that it has hit a particular OB that it respected in the previous time, and it has come there again. What do we need to do? Simply mark the OB, wait for a change of character in a 3-minute or a 5-minute time frame, and play on the long side in NZD-USD. If you take a look at AUD-USD, it's doing the same thing, nothing different. Copy paste. AUD-USD, although is still a bit short of its OB, but it has a lot of demand zones in between and it can turn up from anywhere. So your game plan has to be very simple. AUD-USD, wherever you see a chalk in the 5-minute or the 15-minute time frame, go long in it. Now if we come to gold, we again find this thing approaching one more demand, and I don't know what to say, but gold has approached one more demand, so I will be again long on gold just to lose more money. Haha, not just kidding. I'll be waiting for a chalk. Last week I did not wait for a chalk in lot of pairs, and that is why it didn't go very well for me. But I have understood that you have to wait for a smaller time frame confirmation, no matter how bullish or bearish a stock is. Now if we take a look at GBP and EUR, both of them super solid. GBP USD looks great to me. This particular OB gave a huge move for GBP USD on the upside. Now if we see a 3-minute or a 5-minute chalk in this, go long in it. Don't wait for it. Now EUR USD, again, EUR USD looks very solid to me. It has come to a beautiful OB. Just take a look at this OB. It was formed around in January 6th and it has approached it right now, and EUR after that particular OB went a long way on the upside. So EUR USD, simple game plan, copy paste, wait for a small time frame confirmation, go long in it. Now if we take a look at all the USD pairs, the major USD CAD, USD CHF and Japanese yen, we may find that they all have hit particular supply zones. But what I would suggest here is to be a little careful with the Japanese yen shorting. I don't want you guys to just go and short Japanese yen, because Japanese yen might trouble you a bit. So I have two game plans ready for it. Either you go with the supply zone. Now if you'll ask me, where did the supply zone come from? This is a previous OB that led to a huge break of structure in Japanese yen. Now you wait for a chalk in smaller time frame in this scenario, or on the 1 hour time frame you can find this beautiful OB on which you can go long. So Japanese yen, we have these strategies, and when we come to USD CHF, we can see that it has gone deep into the supply zone, and if you see on 15 minutes time frame, it is kind of a chalk, although I would not consider trading it with full risk. But you can if you are a risk taker, because this particular candle looks pretty solid to me in a supply zone, and it can be something that can be taken chance on. Now USD CAD, again, when we come to USD CAD, I don't see anything in USD CAD, to be really honest. It tapped into a supply, but there is no chalk whatsoever. Now if you will call this a chalk, this is not a chalk. This is not a change of character in any manner. This is not a change of character. This is not a change of character, because if you look closely, this particular low did not do any impact for you to say that it changed its character. No, although you can call this a small change of character, but I would still remain very cautious as to what I have to do with USD CAD. So I'd rather ignore it, and I would focus on all the other pairs. So if you like my analysis, you can like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this with your trading pairs. And I hope you all have a great week ahead. I will again update you about trade ideas, news flows and everything else in the next week. Until then, see you. Bye-bye. Take care.